Hello students, and welcome to English 102, the online version. My name is Ishmael Stabos, and you can call me Mr. Ish because that's what every other student calls me. Anyway, this little video is going to give you a quick orientation of our course. Mostly we're just going to talk about navigating the course in our learning management system D2L. So first, once you're logged into MyDTCC, you can find our course by clicking on the Courses tab here. Our course is in D2L, so you're going to click on D2L, and then you're going to get a big list of courses, but it won't look as big as mine. But you should be able to find your English 102 course on there. So I'm going to go ahead and open one up to show you around the course. When you first land in the course, this is our English 102 course online section, you'll see this home page where there will be announcements. I'll generally post announcements online at least once a week, but probably more often. So be sure to come in and check these announcements on a regular basis. Other than that, you'll see on the right hand side a calendar of important due dates and other such things. So you can see, for example, there's several items due coming up. But most of the time when you are in our course, you're going to click on this content tab right up here, and that's going to be the most important place for you to go. Now when you first land on the course, you're going to land on this overview page. That's going to give you a little introduction from me and a link to a little welcome message that I created. After that, some of these other useful features here. The course schedule is a place where you can see upcoming due dates and assignments, similar to what you saw on the home page, but this gives you much more detail. So if you ever need to know what's due, what's coming up, go to this course schedule and you should be able to find it there. In the Getting Started module over on the left hand side, you will find some important information that you especially need at the beginning of the semester. For starters, you can see all my cute kids there, and a picture of a younger, thinner me. Also important is my contact information. Email, this is an online course, so email is going to be your primary means of communicating with me. But do feel free to give me a call at my office if you need to. I am in and out of my office because I have a lot of responsibilities here at the college, so you might not always meet me there. So email is the best way. Going on, this Getting Started module is full of important things that you should read, such as your grading policies, how you're going to get graded, how to set up your Google Drive. We're going to use Google Drive pretty much every single day in this course. Schedules of due dates, and then some important policy stuff such as the syllabus and the department manual from the English department here. But so make sure that you check out everything in that Getting Started module pretty much as soon as the course begins. Next, you'll see this Google Drive module. Here, since we're using Google Drive so much, here I will leave things such as how to get to Google Drive, how to set it up, how to submit assignments in there. And you can click on any one of those to access the information. Last but not least are the weekly modules. Right now, as of this recording, only week 1 is available here. The way the course will be organized is you will always see up top here the most current week, so the week that we're in, the stuff you're expected to do next. When this week 1 is over, this module will be moved down here into past weeks so that you can still access old stuff. For example, if you have some late work to submit or you need to just check on old stuff that we did. And a new module will appear here for the current week. So when I click on week 1, I'll get an overview of what's going on this week, And then most importantly, a list of things you need to do. Anything I put in here is going to be pretty important. So for example, as of this recording right now, you can see there's a My Story assignment, there's a Getting to Know the 6 Traits of Writing discussion topic, there's some other assignments, and so on and so forth. So generally I'll put these in the order that I expect you to do them. So you can see, for example, this one's due September 25th, and then after that you'll do the discussion board, and here's an assignment that's due September 27th, and so on and so forth. Make sure you check the weekly modules early in the week and check them often. As for other things you need to know about how to navigate D2L, probably the most important thing is this grades section right here. If you click on grades and go to grades, you will see a list of all of your grades in the course, as well as you'll get a calculation of your current grade. Right now this is blank because I'm not actually a student, but you'll see all of the important stuff. So that is pretty much the main thing you need to know about navigating our course in D2L. Again, most important things are check your announcements on the course homepage frequently. Everything you really need to know is going to be found in content here. The course schedule will show you the things that are coming up that are due, and the weekly modules are where you will find detailed instructions on each and every activity and assignment in the course. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope that you have a great semester. Alright, I'm going to hit stop now.